Whoa! Hey guys, so yesterday was my sister's birthday, and we're gonna be cutting, cause I don't know how to use my mouth. They balloons and doing the helium challenge. So I'm hyped.
At 3 a.m.
Yeah, it's 3 a.m. right now. So what time is it? It's 3. Oh my, we should start. So I'm gonna pop my first.
And we're gonna try to sing songs. Sing parts of songs. Oh, I already know what part I'm singing.
We're singing parts of Melanie Martinez songs.
Oh, you should. We can't copy each other.
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Helium.
Okay.
Oh, you do that.
No, I know what I'm doing.
I'm doing the lyric I'm doing is get high on helium.
And the lyric I'm doing is I'm not a little kid now. Watch me get big now. Okay, ready? Sorry, I'm gonna cut mine.
Let's change that.
La la. Mine isn't even. Wait.
Oh,
Can you hold mine?
get higher helium. Get higher helium. Okay, sorry. The next lyric I'm gonna be doing is close with your brother, won't you be a good sister? La la.
Mine isn't even that much.
Ah!
Where's the scissors?
Close with your brother, won't you be a good sister? Everyone thinks that we're perfect. La la la. Please don't let go. Wow, wow, wow. Yay, I'm Pussy 1, 2, 3. La to the left. Hey guys. Oh, no. Guys, hold up. We need more helium.
So now, I didn't sing my part of the song because I felt like there's something in my throat. Doesn't it feel like that when you do the healing challenge?
Not for me.
For me, it does.
Is there another helium?
In my sister's room. BRB, guys. Okay, here's the last balloon. Now we're both gonna do it this time. Where's the scissors?
So, right here. Let me cut it.
Okay. So
So,
we're gonna each cut a side and then start
I have
second.
this. I'm gonna go first.
That's my side.
I was gonna pick that.
We're gonna go around.
Push it.
We could go. Wait.
Get higher. Hello. Oh my god, I got more than you. Ah! Yeah. Hey guys, we're gonna be doing another video. Hey, yeah, I don't know. Woo! Okay. Cut for some more gold. Cut for some gold. I'm cutting for gold.
She's digging for gold. Digging deep.
Ha! No. Bye guys. See you in our reborn video. I don't know. Bye.